Hey, hope you all are doing well. So today we'll see how you can spot refurbished iPhone in 2020, and this is the easiest way to check if your iPhone is refurbished or not. So to check that, you have to go to the setting, and after that you have to scroll down, go to general. Here you can see, and after that you need to click to about, and here you can see the model number. So before spotting the device, you have to know four things. There are four types of iPhone: M, F, N, P. So these are the four type of iPhone. If your device's model number starts with M like mine, then your device is brand new, purchased from an authorized Apple store or from a Apple retail store or from online. That means your device is the best one. Here you can see mine starts with M. That means my device is perfectly fine condition. It was purchased from Apple Store USA, so it should be perfect, and that's why my device is saying M. If your device model number starts with F, that means your device is refurbished. So F mean refurbished. Maybe someone bought the device and they got into some trouble with the device, they returned it to Apple back, and Apple just replaced some parts of that device, and now they are selling it as refurbished. So if someone tried to sell his device saying that my device is new but his device model number starts with F, that means his device is refurbished. That's how simple it is. The next one, N. So N means your device has been replaced. That means maybe some of the parts of your device, like the display, like the headphone port, like the charging port, or the chassis, or the camera, or the display, or the touch, anything could go wrong, and that's why the parts of your device has been replaced. Next and the final one is P. If your device model number starts with P, that means your iPhone is personalized device, which means that the device has a personalized engraving. Engraving means maybe your device has something written on it, maybe the buyer's name, maybe some other one's name, maybe it has some kind of engraving. So if your device model number starts with M, that is the best one. If your device starts with the model number P, that's also amazing one, but the thing is there will be some kind of engraving on it. From the aesthetic one, it's not that great. If your device model number starts with F, that means you should avoid the device. If your device starts with N, that means you should also avoid the device, because some parts of the device has already been replaced. So there could be some kind of issues, like maybe it doesn't have water resistance or things like that. Maybe some parts doesn't work. So be sure to not buy the F or the N one. If they are saying it is refurbished, then you should try the device, check the device, then you can buy. But if you are buying the device directly from apple.com or Apple Store, then there should not be any kind of issues. So I hope that from now you guys can spot a refurbished iPhone in 2020 very easily. So that is all for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys found this video any kind of informative, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, because that will be very appreciating. That is all for this one. Goodbye.